Hello everyone, welcome to Kallada Academy, and today we'll be working on a few tools for meme generation. So let's head on. Okay, so the first tool that we'll be working on is a meme generator tool from Kapwing. So just log in with kapwing.com and you'll be like, if you are going on to the meme maker part, you'll be getting this option. Right, there are n number of, like, you'll be finding so many templates out here, the trending templates, the popular templates, right? You can choose any template and start editing. You also have like a few blank templates as well as classic templates. So I'm sure you might have seen all these templates being regularly used in all forms of social media, as well as different options where we check out on the memes. I hope you understand that memes is in today's world one of the most engaging parameters on which you can work on, right? After videos, memes is something which takes the second spot. So just let us try on this particular option of this meme. We just click on to this edit template option. And this is the section out here. So once you click on to this option, you'll be able to change the font. You'll be able to edit this particular text out here. Once you click on to this option, you have this section where you can start editing. And you can have like do this editing part. Anything that you would love to. Okay, here is the placeholder out here. Be able to move it up, down, sideways. And here also you will be able to edit this. So you can toggle it left, right, center out here. Yeah, and it's looking fine. So we click on to this option and export as image. Okay, select the frame, export image. Okay, so you can sign in to remove watermark or like just download this. So you have to sign in. Okay, so your download had started. Okay, so you can paste it out here and save it. Right. So your meme is ready out here. Fine. So this is a tool from Kapwing. You can always use it up and find it. We just open it up and see. This is in our photos section. Yeah, so this is good to go. Fine. Next, we'll be trying out on a tool which is called Imgflip, Imgflip. Here you'll be finding another, like, different options of creating memes out here. You'll be able to see the guy who ate it with the peel. I have sent so many options, right, of memes. this is really nice. Minutes. And then you get the text from the driver saying it's outside your house. Oh, so, again, animal memes are always very much crazy and it's engaging. So you can just click on to make a meme option out here. Okay, so you get, different popular images. You can also search it out, view all memes. So many options. You can find it out. Fine. So let's try it out. Okay. You can also search it out here if we have something like ancient old ones. This is a good one. Okay. This is plain. Right. So you can caption this meme. And you can type it out here. So we have this one as the header one, and this is the footer one. Okay. So here, once you want to remove this watermark, you have to be getting onto the promotional part, like the premium part. You have to pay something. But again, if you want to have a free version, then you will be getting this watermark out here. Fine. So just generate meme. Okay, so we have the image link out here, or else you can like share it right away. You can have an create your account, and you can always like make these changes around. Okay, so we have this download image option out here, and you can save this in your desktop. Fine. Once you click this, your meme is ready out here. Fine, good to go. So these are the two different tools from Imgflip as well as Kapwing, which are two good, very good tools to utilize. Okay, I'm sure you'll be benefited out of these two different tools for meme generation. I think your tutorial is wonderful and you'll be benefiting out of it. Thank you very much, and we'll be meeting up with you in our next video. Thank you very much.